Welcome everybody, and thanks for tuning in to another episode. Today we are still following the stay-at-home order, but we've decided on this beautiful sunny day, let's barbecue. So I want to show you some of the interesting things we're going to make because they're absolutely delicious. I am going to be making Turkish kofta, which are like beef patties. They're not burgers, but you can kind of think of them that way, but it's not eaten in the sandwich per se. Also here, I have lamb kebabs, lamb skewers. They're really good and I cannot wait to cook them. We're also going to have some asparagus with oil, and we also have Narsharab, which comes from Azerbaijan. It's made from pomegranate and it has this bittery sour taste, but it's absolutely delicious. This will be for the lamb and the satsabeli will be for the kofta. Let's grill.
My name is Igor, explorer, adventurer, and a guy who ends up in some interesting places. With a degree in journalism and filmmaking, I traveled to the ends of the earth investigating the greatest places in the world. This is Igor Travels the World.
Okay guys, so now as we've gotten the kofta finished, I'm going to show you how to make a cool little sandwich. So you take lavash bread, which is very popular in the countries of Georgia, Armenia, in the Middle East. It's just a very flat, thin bread. We're going to drop 3 kofta on top. Then we've got here a salad mix, just cucumber and tomato. We're going to put some of that on. That together, and then I'm going to sprinkle some onion right on top like a kebab, and then I'm going to take my favorite Georgian sauce, satsabeli, and I'm going to pour some out right on top. That garlic flavor will come right through. The meat is crispy. It's just delicious beef. You sense all those spices in it. But also with the satsabeli sauce, with the fresh vegetables, oh, it gives it such a nice flavor. Look at that.